Hello students, welcome to the Deepti Bridgewell School's digital learning classes. Here we are learning computer of class 8 from Rahul sir. Components of a network. Networking can be achieved in two ways. Wired networking. To implement wired networking, some hard components are needed. Those are as follows. Network interface card. Network interface card or NIC is also referred to as an Ethernet card and network adapter. It is an expansion card that enables a computer to connect to a network such as a home network or the internet using an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. Networking ports and cables. Network cables are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches, and storage area network. These cables are essentially the carrier or media through which data flows. The most commonly used is twisted pair cable, hubs, and switches. When a network has more than two computers, we require an interface for connecting and transmitting the data among them. This is achieved through hubs and switches. Each computer on a network is connected to a hub and or switch through a Ethernet cable. Switches and hubs are with multiple ports to which computers, printers, and other networking devices are connected. However, nowadays switches are used instead of hubs as they are more effective and provide better performance. Wireless networking. Wireless networking refers to two or more computers communicating using standard network rules or protocol. It does not use Ethernet cabling to connect the computer together. Instead, radio signals are used to send information. The components required for wireless networking are wireless network interface card. It is a network interface controller that connects the computer via wireless radio-based computer network. Nowadays, most PCs and laptops come with wireless network interface card. Routers. It is a networking device that connects two or more networks. They are located at gateways. Its function is to determine the best way for a package to be forwarded to its destination. Though routers are basically hardware devices, but software-based router also exist.